Today marks the 30-day countdown to the 6th China International Import Expo. Everyone is gearing up for the big show. Somewhere in the NECC Shanghai, the venue of the annual expo, staff are busy unboxing a patch of new surprises. Follow me as we take a closer look. Located at the NECC Plaza, the NECC store sells CIIE-related creative and cultural products. Many products are designed based on the image of the expo's mascot, Jinbao. Things like plush toys, mystery boxes, panda-like scarf, stickers, Jinbao-shaped ice cream, and keychains have always been popular among consumers. Besides the lovely design, several products incorporating traditional Chinese culture have also won over many fans.
前24节气勋章刚出的时候，就买了好多，主要是当伴手礼送给家人和朋友。那今年又新出了一些款式，觉得它的设计非常的灵动可爱，所以就忍不住过来剁手了。
In the Chinese lunar calendar, 2023 is a year of the rabbit, while 2024 is the year of the dragon. It seems that products for the Chinese New Year are already ready here. According to the staff, the NECC store will have 49 new products like emblems, bookmarks, and plush toys, as well as business gifts like notebooks, ties, necklace, and tea sets this year. Which one is your favorite? Leave a comment here.